Hello everyone, this is Rakesh Kapalis and I welcome you all in my today's class and I hope that you all are fit and fine at your homes. So today we are going to discuss class 11's business studies. The topic is large scale retailers. And before moving further, let me remind you that in our previous of the videos we have gone through the two different types of large scale retailer. The very first was the super bazaar and second that was departmental store. And these two types of retailers are categorized under the head large scale retailers. No doubt they used to have the common features of retailer, but as they are really big in their size as well as in scope, so they are called the large scale retailers. So in this series we will move further and we will try to learn something about the next type of large scale retailer, that is multiple shops or the chain stores. Multiple shops or the chain stores are those types of large scale retailer which used to operate in so many cities, deal in with a specialty products, it having a chains of the stores. You can take the example of Bata. You can take the examples of any particular brand which used to deal with that brand only. That is a chain store. Chain store may be defined as that store which having the chains of the shop in different cities, in different localities, in different areas, and they used to deal in you can say a very good quality product of a particular brand. This is chain store or multiple shops. So this is the meaning of the chain store and the multiple shops. So now after understanding this chain shops and chain stores meaning, we will try to learn what are the different types of features in the multiple shops and in chain stores. The very first feature you will see, this is really large in size, as it was possible in case of what you can say departmental store as well as in super bazaar. They used to deal in with large quantity, size. They are of a big size, a big building, big structure, that is large size. Then second is specialized in one line of the product. They normally deal in the one line of product. Like I am talking about the Bata showroom, then the Bata showroom will deal with only with the footwear. That will deal with the footwear. All the footwear products of that line, whatever that is sandals, whatever that is sleepers, sports shoes, leather shoes, means all the different variety of the one line of product will be there, that is specialized in one line of product. Then next is centralized purchasing. Centralized purchasing means if you have to purchase, you can visit so many departments, but the purchase is being at billing is being made at one single counter, single window, single seat. Centralized purchasing. Then decentralized sale. If one chain store is at A place and second is at B place, then the sale made by one A chain store will not be depend upon the sale made by B. They both of them will be independent, so that's why it having the decentralized type of sale. The next feature, the quality. Normally the multiple shops or the chain stores used to deal with you can say a good quality. Normally the chain stores belong to a particular brand, Bata, right? Reebok, you can say Nike, different types of brands. So it's having no compromise with the quality. The next is uniform price. Normally what happened in the chain stores and multiple shop, they used to sell the product at a fixed price. There is no chances of the bargaining. There is no scope of the bargaining, and once the price is being fixed, it will remain same and no chance of any reduction or any concession in that price. The last feature of this multiple shops or chain store, that is, they used to deal or sell the goods only at cash base. There is no credit facility in these chain stores or multiple shop. These are the features. Now we have covered departmental store, we have covered, now we have just gone through the chain stores. So how you will differentiate these two? Means what is the difference between chain store and the departmental store? The very first is variety. When we will talk about departmental store, it deals in a very large variety, large range. In departmental store, you can get the product of different brands. But in chain store, the range or the variety is comparatively limited. If we are talking about Bata showroom, then in Bata showroom, you can get only the product of Bata. But if we will talk about departmental store, then in departmental store, you can get the any particular brand. Second is credit or cash sale. Normally what happen, chain stores used to deal the goods on cash base only. Chain store में सिर्फ cash पे सामान deal होता है, only cash sale, no credit facility. While in case of departmental store, few regular you can say customers may be given the credit facility, but only limited. But there is no chance of the credit sale in case of chain stores. Then types of customers. In case of departmental store, only the rich or the you can say above poverty line people used to visit. While in chain stores, normal middle class mediocre people can also approach, also go there. They used to deal, they used to visit these places. Then pricing. In case of departmental store, there is some chances of the bargaining because some of the regular customers can be given some sort of concession in the price. While in chain store, pricing will remain same. There is no chance of the change in price. Then other sections. चेन स्टोर्स में आपको कोई और फैसिलिटी नहीं मिलेगी. चेन स्टोर्स में आपको सिर्फ गुड्स मिलेंगे, आपको सॉरी वो पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा जिसके ब्रांड में वो डील करता है. While the departmental store also gives some other sort of facilities, like restaurant may be there in departmental store, any game corners may be there, any you can say cinema or theater PVR may be there, other facilities. Then next is डेकोरेशन और डिस्प्ले स्टाइल. जब हम किसी पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड की बात करते हैं तो चेन स्टोर्स में हर एक चेन स्टोर का डेकोरेशन का डिस्प्ले का स्टाइल सेम रहता है. अगर आप बाटा के शोरूम को ए सिटी में देखोगे, बी सिटी में देखोगे, सी सिटी में देखोगे तो उसका जो डेकोरेशन का स्टाइल है और डिस्प्ले स्टाइल दैट विल रिमेन सेम, वो सेम रहता है. बट इन केस ऑफ डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर, ईच एंड एवरी डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर हैव इट्स ओन different style of decoration, maybe red, maybe blue, maybe pink. But in case of the display style of chain store, it remains same in size, same in color, as well as same in outlook. This is decoration style. The last difference, the last ways to differentiate these two types of large scale retailer, that is location. Normally the chain stores you can find in each and every locality, each and every city, but the departmental store used to exist in big cities, center of the heart of the city, center of the city, where lots of people can easily approach the departmental store. So these are the difference between chain stores and the departmental store. So this is features and difference. So now in our next of the videos, we will try to discuss some of the more types of large scale retailers that may be online shopping, but you can say mail order, automatic vending machine, or maybe any other type which may exist practically relating to the large scale retailers. Okay, so thank you very much.